Oh, well, hello. Yes, I drive a Porsche. My t-shirt says Cayman, that's a type of Porsche. And I'm stuck here with these peasants! This one next to me drives so many shit boxes, you cannot believe. I'm embarrassed. I'm embarrassed that that peasant drives the Kia Sportage Dustbin Edition while I drive a Porsche. So, we need to get this problem solved. The feed will work for the time being, but we need to get you into a Porsche. Perhaps a nice SUV. Yes? Anyway, I heard that your favourite pastime is getting wasted! Woo! Anyway, I can't get wasted because I'm gonna leave in my Porsche.